Hey! In front of me is Motorola G82, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this Motorola smartphone. First of all, just access settings and scroll down. Now you need to choose security and tap on screen lock. Over here, tap on the best login method for you. I will go with pattern. Now you need to enter your login method, choose next at the bottom right corner and then repeat it. After that, select confirm at the bottom right corner as well. Over here you need to answer the question, how do you want the lock screen to display your notifications? I don't want any, so I will go with the last option, don't show notifications at all. And tap on done at the bottom right corner. Now when I go back, turn off my screen and then turn it back on, as you can see, pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!